Welcome to a session on the topic correction of errors. So, what is exactly correction of errors? Um, Obviously, it is to have correct sentences, grammatically correct sentences, but what are the aspects that actually makes a sentence go wrong? Or what actually, what are the possible mistakes that you could make while you structure a sentence? So what is correction of error exactly? It is to spot the sentences which has error, which are grammatically incorrect. Now, grammatically incorrect could mean many things, and this error, it can be anything. It can be a mistake that you make in the noun or the pronoun that you use, or it could also be how you refer to a singular thing as plural or plural thing as singular, or the word usage itself, the wrong word usage itself. So normally, spelling errors are not asked in this particular section. We do not deal with correction of errors. Now, what are the types of errors that we make in sentences? There is punctuation, there is pronoun, there is singular plural mistake, and there are question tags. So, what are the mistakes that we could possibly make while for punctuations in a sentence? Punctuation, the importance of punctuation is very much in a sentence because, punctuations actually give meaning to the sentences. And without the knowledge of punctuation, you can miss the errors actually. For example, look at the two sentences that are given here. It's a beautiful house, and we have it's a beautiful house. So you see how a punctuation itself can change uh, the meaning of a sentence. Now, what is your name? Stops with a full stop while it is a question, so you must add a question mark along with it. So it is, what is your name, question mark. So punctuations are quite important. It is an interrogative sentence, so it must end with a question mark. Moving on to pronouns. So a text should always have one type of pronoun in it. And if the pronoun changes anywhere in the middle, it is an error. Okay, so we have two set of examples and sentences here. One must not tell lies. He must always obey the elders. And we have the second sentence, one must not tell lies. uh, One must always obey the elders. So that is the change of pronoun that we have here. The text starts with one, and it should be maintained throughout the text. So we can't really, so in the sentence, you can say it could also be a she, but we can't bring out the pronoun he. Uh, Now here the text, yeah. And so what are the pronouns? We have I, me, we, us, you, he, she, they, etc. So you and he must attend the seminar on career guidance. So it's an example. Now, singular, plural, what are the mistakes? We use certain words to represent the singularity and plurality of nouns. Error questions are based on the use of helping verbs with these words. For example, the scissors are missing. Scissors is missing is one sentence, and we have scissors are missing. So the correct one is singular because scissors, it has got two handles, so it has to be scissors are missing. It has to be plural. Here, scissors are one in number, yet we use a plural verb with them. Now, another set of example. There is many people in the town. There are many people in the town. It is plural, so we must use are. Here, people is a plural term, hence we use the plural verb with it. Coming to question tags, the positive statement that we have, uh, the positive statement will have a negative question tag, as we all know, and a negative statement will have a positive question tag. So examples, you did your homework, did you, which is a positive statement, negative tag. You didn't do your homework, did you? Here we have a negative statement and a positive tag. So that those are question tags. Question tags is also another area where we make mistakes. Now, common errors, again, we have nouns. A noun is used to identify a place, a person, and a thing. It can be singular and plural. but the verb used for them differ from singular to plural. Adjectives, what are adjectives? It is a word which represents the speciality, merits, demerits, quality, and fault of a person, place, or thing. That's it. Thank you.